where the time go? So much for trying to keep this moving slow, 'cause I don't believe in her no more. But I remember how we talk shit like we knew what we wanted. I still remember what she said. I don't think I love you no more. You never seem to call me lately, but I don't think she knew me at all, 'cause I never thought I'd have to say this, but I'm no liar, and I never hid anything. You should've seen it coming to this. But just know, I'm not singing for an ex though. I'm just singing 'cause it's over. Yeah.